Hello, Flippers. You don't know me, but I know you. Today I have something special. Not a deadly game, but a game of taste. Welcome to my Moringa Tea review. Ginger and lemon, a unique blend that promises to awaken your senses. Let's see if it will survive my test. The scent is already promising. To brew it is really easy. You just put the tea bag for 4 or 5 minutes in a hot boiling water cup. As the flavors infuse, their aromas fill the air. What a tantalizing experience. Now, the first sip. An invigorant blend of moringa, ginger and lemon. Warm, spicy and zesty. But does it have what it takes to satisfy my dark soul? This tea has a rich full body flavor, strength and finesse intertwined. For those seeking a moment of peace amidst the chaos, this might be the answer. Nourish your body and soul with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Yes, Miracle Tree, Moringa, Ginger and Lemon wins. Flip or die tea lovers, make your choice. And remember, follow me for more twisted reviews. Game